My senior was very harsh with me in the code review. What do I do? This is a common situation when you're a young engineer. You make silly mistakes. Some of those mistakes look funny for experienced engineers.
Alright. So you can avoid situations like this using AI. But AI in code reviews? Well, Bito.ai solves this problem. It's an AI tool that understands your code and provides high quality reviews for PRs based on performance, security, and scalability. Let's check out their latest feature called as AI Code Review Agent. This agent is included in their 10x paid plan. You can get your first month free using the coupon code provided below in the description. Alright, let's configure this agent with GitHub. In your Bito dashboard, go to Explore Agents and create a new instance for the code review agent. Let's use github.com as the Git provider and get the access token from GitHub settings. Generate a new classic token and give it a name. For the scopes, we will use full control of private repositories. So let's select all of them. Now let's copy this token and paste it in the dashboard. Let's add the agent instance details and save it. And now here comes the last part, setting up the webhook. You need to go to the settings of your repository to which you want to add the code review agent. Go to webhooks, create a new one, and paste the payload URL and secret from the agent settings. For the events, let's add everything related to pull requests. Now let's test this agent. For this demo, I have created a simple PR that adds navbar to my portfolio website. And here comes the review from Bito. It gives the summary that this PR introduces navbar component with responsive design and adds new pages with SEO-friendly design. It also detected that the code change type is of feature addition and UI UX improvement. Yes, I haven't added any test cases. I'll do it later. Moving forward, it gave a 2 out of 5 for estimated effort to review. This is an important parameter in terms of deciding timelines in your project lifecycle. It has also provided a high-level feedback for state management in React. So far so good, pretty impressive, right? Let's check out the detailed code suggestions in diff view. Alright, so it came up with an issue for on-click handler function. This is about inconsistent state management. It has also provided a fix for this. For the other issue, it has detected the rendering and performance problems. Now, coming back to unit testing, I have added some test cases for the navbar. To run the code review manually, you can use /review in the comments. In the latest run from Bito, it has detected the unit test. Alright, so that was a pretty basic PR with minimal changes. Let's check out a PR with complex changes. So this PR provides configuration to OpenAI API-based URL and adds DuckDuckGo as alternative search engine to Bing. Cool. Let's check out some detailed code suggestions. This suggestion from Bito tells us to add validation to prevent potential runtime errors due to misconfiguration. The other issue mentions lack of documentation for configuration options and provides comments explaining their impact. Next is the security issue. Bito suggests to store config details in an encrypted format and implement checksum verification. And there's another security issue for dynamic selection of search engines. The fix is to create a predefined list of allowed search engines. Bito also detects optimization issue where multiple queries are being processed in a loop. The fix is to initialize the search engine once at the start or when the user preferences are updated. Next comes the performance issue where the choice of search engine is hard-coded, but there is no validation to ensure if the value is correct. You can see such logging suggestions in rest of the reviews. Overall, this agent makes the review process faster and easier to understand, while keeping in mind about the performance, security, or scalability of your code. Thanks for watching. Try Bito for high quality reviews for your code.